cool. Go, let's go. Hang on, let me get this set. Can we keep them?
Is it big enough?
I don't know.
We'll see.
Cole, put it up against your.
You don't have anything to miss?
Dude, the bait got cut in the line.
Here.
It's gonna come up.
He's gonna die anyway. We're not gonna be able. I'm not gonna be able to get over there. Tom's is in the way.
I'm sorry.
Let's go.
Hey, well, we got a fish.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. I think. I hope so. Looks like it. Yeah, we are. All right. What do you say?
That's a good hook on it. Yeah,
What do you say?
That's good enough size.
You think so? 10 inches?
Yeah, but we brought nothing here.
Hold on. Oh, I'm getting slammed. Hold on.
Is this actually 10 inches though?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, so close.
I have to tighten my drag. That was interesting. What happened right there.
Chat, do you think this? I meant YouTube. Do you think this is 10 inches?
Yeah.
Can we keep them? Cole wants to.
I mean, whatever, as long as
That's 10 inches. But we have nothing to put him
Does
in.
your dad get out filleting, Tyler?
Alright, where do we put him?
We'll put him up against the rock for now.
Yeah. Tyler, rip his jug dealer or something. I don't know. Or bleed him. You know how to bleed him?
I don't have the stuff to bleed him.
You don't know how to gill a fish?
No, I don't have the.
Don't undo the hook here. Walk him over there.
Yeah.
Welcome to the flat area. Ready, Cole?
Here.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we got. No, grab it, grab it. No, grab it.
I can't. No.
Cole, drop your line down there. Drop your line down there. You can get him with the hook.
No.
No, not you. Thomas, you do it.
No.
Okay.
Drop the hook in there.
It's gone.
Here, hold this.
Tyler,
Hold this.
It's gone.
I can get it.
You can't get it. It's gone now. The tide's taking it out. Hey.
If it floats.
Hey.
Huh.
Gosh dang it. My girlfriend's going to kill me.
Is that hers?
Yeah.
Oh.
It wasn't hers. She got it for me for my birthday. Even worse.
Ah. All right. Well, we have a task at hand anyway.
Oh, yay.
Did you get it?
No.
Oh. I actually thought you did. We'll watch for it. Huh?
I should have jumped. I don't think she'll notice if I just never wear it.
Just don't show her the video. I'll edit it out. Tom, Cole, where are you going?
All right, yeah.
Fish. If we don't take them off, then it's illegal.
Oh. I think he's a little bit.
I think he's a little too close.
Oh, they're here, Tyler.
The fish?
Punch that fish and hurry up because they are.
Tom, Cole.
Alright, yeah.
You're being wild on this fish. I think we can let this guy go.
What?
We should probably let this guy go.
What?
I don't think he's big enough, honestly.
Yeah. No, I mean, fish that size that rest time. And they wouldn't make them.
Sorry, I didn't think he was gonna come off that easy.
Oh my god, I keep getting them and then losing them.
Cole's got the setup though. You could probably go get another one with that.
Yeah.
Just reposition your bait and go get another one. All right, we didn't pull an accidental illegal. See y'all later. Well, we didn't get skunked.
I think that's getting.
We caught ourselves a little rockfish. Oh my God! Why did he have to get hooked through right through by his eyes? Look at that little scorpion fish gets hooked through the eyes.
That's irritating.
All right, well, time to dehook him. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna take me like 20 minutes. Can I just like unhook him, like shake him off? I swear to God, I hate these fish so much. It's in his eye. He's literally blind. Dude bit it and it went straight through his eye. God dang it. I'll see you guys in a bit. I think I either got... That's a big rockfish. What'd you say, Cole? What'd you say? Ah! Rockfish number, like, what, 6? I said it. I knew we should have kept him. I had this feeling I should have kept him, but I let him go. He's dead. No, he's not dead. Huh?
At me.
Drop it right straight down there. Cole, have you tried right here? It's probably jacked, full of them.
The one-handed snag.
So Gander Mountain, you want to sponsor us? Or GoPro, anybody? You can either shout out or sponsor us. That'd be cool.
I'm gonna make like a million new YouTube accounts and sponsor, like not sponsor, like subscribe to myself.
Oh, you did?
I got to make the fat.
Just like beat him on a rock till he comes off. I said beat him on a rock till he comes off. I was being sarcastic. Don't feel like getting animal cruelty charges from YouTube, bro.
I wanna go shark fishing at night, like
Not here because it's illegal.
Friday, like off like the main beach, like South Beach, down in Vero.
Shake 'em.
Tyler, do you drive to school every day?
I drove to school once. I drove to school once. I drove home like 6 times. I'm not awake enough in the morning to drive.
Like you take the bus.
Yeah.
You take the bus.
You want to walk somewhere after school on Friday? All right. See y'all later. You get to 100 subscribers. All right, here you go, Thomas. We're on.
Go get yourself a Kieran custom
The
today.
second fish annoyed me so much that it knocked over the
Should I set up a wait? I'm gonna set up.
stab it through the tail and go all the way up.
Nah, bro, you gotta be more enthusiastic. You know what I'm saying? So what you gotta do is, at perfect timing, you gotta just come out of nowhere. We'll be like right catching a fish. Oh my God! I almost just stepped in that hole right there. All right, Cole, do you want a custom fishing rod?
What?
Do you want a free custom fishing rod?
Yes.
Well, you have to be a subscriber on our YouTube channel. When we get to 100 subs, we're announcing it early. He almost died.
Yeah.
When we get to 100 subs, then we're gonna give away our first free rod. Or maybe rod component. That's free mullet. We kind of have a couple. Really? Talk to my dad. He's right there.
You definitely got stung by something?
Not anymore. It's just probably sea lice.
Sand fleas are annoying.
All right, so when you do it, Cole, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it. And you're gonna go straight behind you and let go right about there.
What was that?
Grab him.
What was that?
That's your mullet. I just caught him.
Wow.
Can you reel in your line?
Yeah. He came
Quickly,
off.
reel in your line, yeah, quickly. There's a hook floating around. Look at that, guys. He came off the hook. I caught him out of the water after he came off the hook. That was lucky. Ah!
Let him get him.
All right. We got the circle hook right here. Let's see what I can do with them. Circle hooks are so annoying to hook with.
Oh, should we make him blind so he can't run away from anything?
No. I'm just hooking him through the nose because he.
Why'd you make it sound cruel?
Hooking him through the nose because he ripped his tail in half. There we go. Will that hold? That will not hold. I'm gonna hook you through the mouth, alright, buddy? No?
No, you're giving me nosebleeds.
I don't know if that'll even hold. That's gonna hurt. Here, just try that. That's such a makeshift hook. Just cast straight that way. Actually, come over here.
Alright.
so you don't hook them. Something's right there. Spooking the fish. Oh, it's just all the bait fish again. Never mind. They're everywhere. I was trying to net like right on me, like a hat or something. I could just grab him. He came off?
Yeah.
Is he by you?
No.
Ah.
Alright, let's go in.
Yeah, let's go in. We're gonna try to get some cut. I got the GoPro out and in my hand now. So.
Alright, let's get some underwater stuff.
Cole, Cole, go with him and and bring back his cool staff. Ask him what for his cool GoPro staff. That would be cool point of view. Bird's eye point of view of fishing. Maybe bring his GoPro too. Go with him so that you can maybe grab his GoPro and. Oh, what was that? Can y'all see this better than I can? Can y'all see this better than I can? We got barracuda right in front of us. Like 4 feet in front of me. There's a barracuda right there. Yes, we got the cuda in front of me. And I don't know if you can even hear me. All this stuff. Cole, do you mind running back with him?